Today I'm going to be setting up my cleaning schedule in the month of September in my Plum Paper Vertical Priorities Planner, so stay tuned. This is a method that I started doing a couple of months back where I figured out that there are certain tasks that I want to get done on a weekly basis, some every other week, and some just once a month. And rather than constantly have to try and remember when did I last do that, I decided maybe I should just sit down and plan it out, all of my cleaning tasks. The ones that are basically like maintenance tasks, I would say. Reference it once a week, carry over the tasks for that week into my weekly planner. That way I don't have to look at this view all the time, like every single day, because that's overwhelming to me. And it's stuck. It is something that is working very well for me. Is it perfect? No, because obviously just because I wrote something down doesn't mean I'm going to actually do it. But this whole method has taken the thinking out of when am I going to get things done. And it is a little bit of work to sit down and set it up for the month, but it is totally worth it because then like I said, I'm freeing up brain space because I am sitting down and figuring and mapping it out in advance and then just referencing this as I go. So I will speed through this, but come back afterwards and talk a little bit about the method to my madness. Okay, so basically, as you can tell, I don't have any chores on these days that I've grayed out because we are going to be out of town. Actually, the day that this video is going out, we are back. So I needed to kind of figure out a little bit. I needed to think a little harder as far as moving things around because of not being here. But I pretty much have my tasks that I do every single week, and those are the ones that are in gray. In blue, I have all the laundry tasks, which are weekly tasks as well, except for alternating. Like every other week, I'll wash the bath mats in my bathroom, and every other week I'll wash the kitchen sponge and the dish mat that we put our dishes on sometimes for like hand wash stuff. And the ones that are in this purple are my like once a month tasks, and they follow my menstrual cycle. And I will show you with August, because I'm recording with my phone, so I can't look at my app right now to move things around. But the day I'm filming this, it is August the 26th, and this little flag right here indicates that my menstrual phase is supposed to begin around now. And so what I like to do is, this is actually a little bit off. Ideally, I would have had this last weekend, but my cycle is a little bit wonky. I'm in that perimenstrual phase. Is that what it's called? Perimenstrual? Like, it's anyway, it's this period right before like menopause where your cycle might shrink in length, which it is. And so I'm sorry if that's TMI, but I've learned that, and the reason why this is relevant is because I've learned that I feel most like tackling cleaning related tasks during my luteal phase. And my luteal phase, it can last anywhere from like 10 to 14 days. It fluctuates depending on like your cycle length. So I have mapped out here when the phases are, because it kind of helps me figure out when I should do those once a month deep cleaning tasks. And typically I have them assigned for when I'm in that deep cleaning phase. And I know I've been in that phase. So tomorrow these tasks are going to get done. And honestly, I've got 4 kids. 2 of them are 12 and older, and they actually alternate between mopping the floors and scrubbing the shower. So I don't really take on all the deep cleaning tasks myself. This task of cleaning the washer is simply just setting the washing machine on like the clean wash cycle and letting it go. And then this is cleaning my comforter and my mattress protector. But what I do is I will dust my ceiling fan first before I strip my bed, because the fan is above my bed. Dust can fall, and then I strip my bed and wash everything. I start by washing the mattress protector first. That way when it's dry, I can put that on the bed and kind of redress my bed as the load's finished. So I'll wash the mattress protector first, then I'll wash the bed sheets, then I'll throw the comforter in, because that's the last thing that gets on the bed. And pretty much laundry means like our actual clothes. So I separate days, like I don't do the towels on the same day as the laundry, and same as the bed sheets, I don't do that the same day. So, and you know, the bath mats are on a different day. So I could essentially be washing at least a load maybe every single day, especially if I don't, and sometimes I don't do all the laundry on that one day. Sometimes I just kind of pick like, well, what do we really actually need? And I go from there. But for the most part, I try not to let the laundry pile up, and having like a set day per week when I'm going to do it and tackle it. It's more of a matter of like, it's easier for me to wash all of it. And when again, my older two kids wash their own clothes. So I'm not washing, 6 people. I'm not washing clothes for 6 people. I am mostly washing my own and my 2 younger girls, because my husband works and he has his own set of like work clothes, and so he rarely has any clothes in that mix. Ever since I set this up, it's just been extremely helpful. To what I do is, when I'm setting up my week, I will reference this and look and see like what are the cleaning tasks for the week, and then in my week page I will jot down those assigned for that day, and then I don't look at this again until the next week and I'm ready to schedule that week. So I am one of those people who, looking at this every single day could be overwhelming. Same thing with looking at any month view. If I was looking at a month view of all the appointments and things happening, that would be overwhelming every day. That's why I have the week, even though I am a daily planner. I will reference my weekly planner, which is this one right here. Hold on, let me show you the week. I'll reference this every day and check and see like what are the things that are supposed to be happening today. I will have already pulled in like the appointments and stuff, as well as the cleaning tasks that I've assigned, and any other things that have come up that need to get done on a certain day. And I reference that and carry that over into my daily planner, which I just moved into a daily duo, because the previous planner that I was in this is what a page looks like in the daily duo. My previous planner was an Agenda that I customized, and it was ending in September. So that is essentially how I have been setting up my cleaning. If you want to see how I condensed my budgeting system into my daily duo, if you want to see that video should already be out. That came out last week, and I will link it up in a cart above and in the description for you as well if you want to see that. And so basically all these things marry together and work as one. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stick around and see more functional planning videos and tips to see how I basically get things done as a full-time mom of 4, then consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye.